Hey everyone, my name is Michael, and thank you for checking out this video in this channel. So I work in IT, and I really enjoy what I do. I think it's a great career, and I've learned a lot during that time. And I've been doing this for quite a few years now, more years than I care to admit. But I really enjoy what I do. One of the things that I like about that job is I get to help people, and I get to help people solve problems, and I get to help them save time, save money, save frustrations, and get things working in a way that makes sense to them quickly, hopefully. And I want to help people do that, I mean, even people who aren't my direct clients. And what I want to do with this particular channel is to explain why some things work the way they do and offer some tips and tricks so that you can use your computer and your technology in a way that makes sense to you and maybe learn some things that you didn't know before. So we'll be talking about Windows, Microsoft Windows, and we talk about Mac OS and iOS and Android and all these various systems. And I want to teach you guys some tricks and things that I have learned along the way that maybe will help you as well and help you to save time, save money, make some good purchasing decisions, if I can use my words today. Um, that going forward, you can use technology in a way that makes sense to you and saves time, saves money, and frustration. I one of my pet peeves is I'll walk into a local, big box store, and I hear people, talking with a sales associate who's trying to upsell them on something that they don't need, and that frustrates me to no end. And I wouldn't want someone to do that to me. So I want to help you guys to make the wise purchase decisions because there are things out there that you could spend a lot of money on, but you may not want that. You may not really need that, or you might someone might have said, go buy this $400 laptop when really you're not going to get much laptop for $400 typically. So I want to help people to make those good purchasing decisions and think through what is going to be best for your use case. And we'll talk about how to fix various problems with your computer. What do you do if Mac OS is having problems, or what do you do if Windows is being really slow? And we're going to talk through those things. And I want you to become proficient with your system in a way that makes sense to you, that will save you some time, save you money, and save frustration. So if that makes sense to you, and if that sounds good, then I will see you in the next video.